be my first fired up library, I think. I don't know if I'll be adding any more, but we shall see. When she starts gasifying, I'm burning regular gas in there, guys. Just regular unmixed gas. So I think this is my contribution to Shane's channel, Shovelhead 8. So this is what we're going to be having: hibiscus white tea. Haven't had this one before, I don't think, unless, no, the other one was some sort of berry. But yeah, we could have had a tetley or this one, and I think I'm going to go with this one. I usually puts in 2 tea bags of regular tea, so I don't know. I don't know what this one. Oh boy, did that smell! Oh wow! I put that in there. I'm supposing the tag is just going to catch fire. Got some powdered honey and a spoon from Rampage Coffee. How many packages of honey do I need? I put 2 in. I don't think I've used this before. This is an old stove that my father used to have many moons ago. I did restore it somewhat, put new parts in it, and I just don't have no white gas, but actually works good. In the summer, my father was a fisherman, so we would go over and spend weeks at a time with him as kids. This would be what you'd cook on most of the time. We have a little stove in there, wood stove, a oil drum, you know. It was just a camp. It wasn't a cottage or nothing. It was just a camp. No toilet, no outhouse, right? But yeah, used to spend all summer over there. Family, hit that subscribe button, because not only does it keep you in the loop, it also lets the YouTube algorithm know that you like this sort of thing. Also, it helps the YouTube algorithm push this video out to more and more wonderful, beautiful people just like you. I had a video on restoring that stove. Wasn't the best of a video, I don't think. That's what it looks like. delicious. Hibiscus. This video was inspired by Sean at Shovelhead 8, and there's another guy, Jason in New Zealand. He has Fatwood Fridays and Fired Up Fridays and Coffee Challenge, Bushcraft. And there's a whole lot of channels out there, and I really enjoy them. And you guys could go and check them out as well. Especially Sean at Shovelhead 8. He has, in the summer, he has a lot of garage sales, and he gets some pretty interesting stuff. He sent me this mug. He sent me 2 mugs, actually, of some coffee. You know, the one that I showed earlier in the camera. So I much appreciated. I wish I had something to send them, but me po. But all kidding aside, it was nice, and so it was started. I think they're carrying on a tradition that was started by somebody, Tears. I think it was Tears. I subscribed to her channel. I haven't seen nothing in I don't know, a couple years or something, but they carry on. I guess I don't know if she just give it up or she's sick or something worse, but they carry on this thing she started, Cast Iron Wednesdays, and they have a theme every month, in case you don't know, and it's interesting. So if you like coffee, if you like tea, and you like different methods of starting a fire, it can be like I did there. It can be on a gas stove. It can be on, like, I got a video coming up on a push box twig stove. You can do that. All kinds of things. That's the fun of it, right? Different ways of boiling the kettle or whatever. So, and Sean is a down-to-earth guy, and him and Timmy. But he got 2 dogs and a bird. I don't know what kind of bird it is, actually. It's not a it's not a Tweety bird, but the model 431. Like I was saying, I don't know if this is the same one, but we probably went through quite a few of them over the years. But thanks, guys.